Welcome back to the channel. If you're here, you're probably looking to take your crypto journey to the next level, and you're in the right place. Today we're drawing a hard line between gambling and investing in crypto. The difference isn't just luck or timing, it all comes down to data, discipline, and having a clear strategy. If you're still trading on hype, rumors, or gut feelings, you're not investing, you're gambling. That approach might work once or twice, but over time, it's a recipe for disappointment and losses. The pros, on the other hand, use enterprise-grade analytics and powerful tools to get ahead. They rely on hard numbers, not hope. In this video, I'll show you the top crypto analytics tools that give you a real edge. Tools trusted by institutions and serious traders to make smart, data-driven decisions, even in volatile markets. So, if you're ready to stop rolling the dice and start building real wealth, let's dive in and turn your crypto hobby into a business. First up, let's talk about Nansen, a true powerhouse when it comes to tracking smart money in the crypto world. In a market where information is everything, Nansen stands out by giving you a direct window into the moves of the most influential players. Nansen labels wallets belonging to venture capitalists, major funds, and crypto whales, so you can see exactly where the big players are moving their capital. This isn't just about watching numbers on a screen, it's about understanding the strategies of those who shape the market. With dashboards like Smart Money and Token God Mode, you're able to spot emerging trends and new opportunities before they hit the mainstream. These tools let you analyze wallet activity, token flows, and even the timing of major buys and sells. You can set up real-time alerts for significant wallet movements, so you're always in the loop when something big is happening. Imagine getting notified the moment a major fund starts accumulating a new token. These instant notifications mean you're never left behind when institutional money enters new projects. You can react quickly, making moves before the rest of the market even notices. This isn't just raw data. It's actionable intelligence that empowers you to front-run the crowd and make informed decisions with confidence. For serious traders, Nansen's depth and complexity translate directly into power. The subscription cost is minor compared to the edge it provides, especially when you're competing against the best in the game. If you're ready to stop guessing and start following the real money, Nansen is an essential tool that can transform the way you trade and invest in crypto. Next up, let's dive into Glassnode, your macro lens on the ever-evolving crypto market, where every data point tells a story. In a world where volatility is the norm, having a clear, data-driven perspective is crucial for making smart decisions. Glassnode delivers deep on-chain metrics like net unrealized profit loss to reveal not just market sentiment, but also the underlying health and behavior of the entire network. These insights help you understand whether the market is driven by fear, greed, or something in between. Track active addresses, long-term holders, and transaction flows to see if dips are being bought or sold. By monitoring these trends, you can spot accumulation phases, distribution events, and even anticipate major market moves before they happen. Their in-depth research and transparent methodology make Glassnode a trusted source for evidence-based decisions. Weekly reports and real-time alerts keep you informed, so you're never caught off guard by sudden shifts in the market. With their robust API, you can build custom models and trading signals, just like quant funds do. This flexibility empowers both individual traders and professional teams to create strategies tailored to their unique goals. For understanding market cycles, timing your moves, and staying ahead of the curve, Glassnode is truly unmatched, making it an essential tool for anyone serious about navigating the crypto landscape. Now CryptoQuant, your real-time data sentinel. CryptoQuant specializes in exchange flows, alerting you to big inflows or outflows that signal potential market moves. Set custom alerts for sudden changes in exchange reserves or minor activity, so you're never caught off guard. Their P&L index and miner data offer unique insights into market pressure points. The platform's community-driven analysis sparks new strategies and interpretations. For traders who need to react fast, CryptoQuant is indispensable. Let's talk sentiment with Santiment. Santiment blends on-chain data with social analytics, tracking crowd mood across Twitter, Reddit, and more. Their social volume and weighted sentiment metrics help you spot trending coins and potential reversals before the crowd. Look for divergences between price and social activity to identify tops and bottoms. Daily active addresses reveal real network growth, even when prices fall. Sentiment's dashboards and Google Sheets integration make it easy to turn sentiment into strategy. Enter Into the Block, AI-powered analytics for predictive insights. Their in-out-of-the-money analysis maps support and resistance by showing where holders are in profit or loss. Ownership by concentration reveals if whales or retail dominate an asset, helping you gauge risk. AI-driven signals predict short-term price moves, giving you a statistical edge. Deep DeFi analytics help you manage risk in liquidity pools and lending protocols. Into the Block turns complex data into clear, actionable intelligence for modern investors. Finally, Messari, the research terminal for professionals. Messari delivers in-depth reports, asset profiles, and sector analyses, saving you hours of due diligence. Their customizable dashboard and screener help you filter thousands of assets by key metrics to find hidden gems. Enterprise clients get robust APIs, governance tracking, and curated intelligence feeds. Messari's commitment to transparency and standardization pushes the industry forward. For a single source of truth in crypto research, Messari is the gold standard. To win in crypto, your edge is information. These tools, Nansen, Glassnode, CryptoQuant, Santiment, Into the Block, and Messari, are your arsenal. Don't see them as expenses, see them as investments in your trading business. Try their free trials, master the one that fits your style, and transform your approach from emotional to data-driven. Like, subscribe, and let us know which tool you're most excited to try. Now get out there and start researching. Your portfolio will thank you.